condensers for the fan coil units you just saw downstairs. That's the air conditioning part of the units downstairs.
For the ground level? Okay.
So Henry, like, what I suggest is every season, every summer, you go out there and check the back of the condenser, the coils, make sure there's no popping ones or nothing.
Okay.
Because you can get like a layer of dirt, and that'll keep it from cooling. It'll overheat on high head. Okay?
Oh, okay.
But if you can use a soft bristle brush and go up and down to clean it, and if it gets too bad, I would just use a garden hose with a little sprayer, not just a little regular sprayer, not a pressure washer, and just wash it down like this, all the dirt, and you'll see it come out. Try not to bend the fins,
Okay.
okay? And obviously shut the unit off when you do that.
Yeah.
And that would be all the maintenance.
The switch in the side, right?
Yep, that's all the maintenance you have to do.
Is there a way to get water from down there, or is it in the patio? You gotta get a patio, a hose from the patio up, and get a ladder up here, because there's, unless you go into somebody's unit. Anyways, these windows don't open, you can't get out.
Those two, you can get out those windows over there.
They all open up.
That's how.
They open up a little.
Yeah,
Take this latch off.
you pop that hinge and it'll open all the way.
Where?
That's a limiting device so that the tenants don't.
So if you pop this guy and you open up this guy,
Yes. And then you take you pop that off of that little stud,
okay.
and then you can open it the rest of the way. Yeah, it's down there.
Okay. Luisa?
Yeah, it's real easy to pop that out.
Okay. Henry, you'll find that the unit will coincide with the indoor evaporator. You'll see, it'll say F4, F4, so you'll know which one is coincide.
Oh, okay.
They're numbered.
They had a number, so.
Okay. Now these, you're gonna find in every apartment. These are the magic packs for every unit. Okay? And as she was saying, it has the washing machine in there. So these filters are, you can wash it. All you're gonna worry about with these is that filter. I would say every few months, every 2 months I would check in the beginning. Because of the dirt with the construction. And you'll look here when the unit's on, and you'll see, right now it's in standby, but if it doesn't fire, you'll get a code. You'll get a flash code. This is what you're probably gonna end up calling us out for warranty. There is a disconnect switch up here, and there is a gas disconnect on every unit, okay? What you can try first, usually, if you're having a problem, just shut the power off, wait a minute or so, then turn it back on and reset that. Usually there's a problem with the way it fires. And then just make sure your drains are always cleaned on these, you know? If you have a drain here, where this is a 90+ burner, and you have a drain down here for the AC.
Were these gonna be cleaned out inside, Kevin? Because they're pretty dusty in there.
They're supposed to be. Yeah.
One of the units over there, we found a can of soda inside there.
Any questions?
You got to talk to them about the high water, the high water alarm.
There's a float, there's a shut-off float in there, I'm sorry, in case this, alright. In case this coil overflows, there's a shut-off coil in here, so it's a water shut-off, see? Basically, it'll keep it from flooding any other floors. But that, if the unit's off, and it's a cooling season, you wanna check that if that pan's full, because that could be why it's off too, if you're on a warranty.
Where's the pan? It's underneath, or?
It's in this pan in the back. Right there, here's where it's at, right here.
So it's a local alarm, you'll hear it go
This
off.
one here is like a drain hose?
Yes, that's the AC one.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh. No, it's not an audible alarm, it's just gonna lock the unit out.
Oh, really, so gonna go into alarm.
Exactly. Well, it alarms it by turning the unit off. He's gonna know there's a problem, because it won't run.
And that will happen in the summertime or in the wintertime?
Well, either one.
Either one?
Whenever the water gets filled up.
Right. Either one,
So
mainly the
is
summer.
it one of those systems where you expect the water just evaporates or do you have to drain it?
No, it drains automatically, unless it's clogged.
Exactly.
If he doesn't clean it and stuff.
Here's the drain.
Yeah, I see it in there.
So one is here,
And
and the other one is inside.
Leaks in your box.
So does it drain outside of the building? Where does it drain
No, it
to?
drains down into the first floor.
And it
And
drains into
numerous,
the pipe.
every one of them, so you have a riser, Rosa, which is this pipe here.
Yeah,
So you've got 21 units per floor,
uh-huh,
so you have 21 of these. So this is servicing the second floor, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This drains down, and they're all different.
Drains down like your plumbing would. the same
Okay.
way. It exits the same way your plumbing water would.
okay. And there's no chance of anything ever backing up through there?
Well, if you don't keep it clean, if you don't keep your filters clean, yeah, you're gonna get dirty drains. You know,
Okay.
If you keep your filters clean, your water will be clean.
Okay,
And then you can always put a little bit of bleach in there if you have a problem one, or, you know, or you can blow it out, a little bit of air, you know, probably an old yellow one or water rain, you know.
We need another one of these water rains.
yeah.
Okay, then here's the stat for it, it's a T4, a Honeywell T4. Now you can
Let me get it.
change set points in here as far as like how high and how low you want it to go. They're set right now for heat cool and off, not auto. I took the auto mode out, it's a problem sometimes. When it goes by itself, people they don't like that.
They want to be able to control it themselves.
So my set point is right now, I got 60,
Six?
65 to 78 with the set points. And basically, these are, you know, it's plug and play. These aren't that hard. You can find a manual online for these. You're gonna get it with the book that we give you. You'll have a book with all this information in it for every piece of equipment. All right?
Yeah, well, it won't be a book.
A binder? Oh, PDF?
Electronic.
Oh, they do electronically now? Okay, because I remember they giving us binders like that, IONs. Okay.
So when will they come back and clean these guys out? Now that we're punching the second floor?
I mean, if you guys punch those, we'll do that as a punch list item
Okay.
on where the one with the Coke was or what have you.
Well, I haven't seen any of them. They all need to be clean. I haven't seen any of them clean.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. We go to another room.
Okay.
A different unit.